subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Oppo Reno 7, Reno 7 Pro and Reno 7 SE back in November last year, the company has now launched another smartphone under the same lineup in Thailand called Oppo Reno 7Z with RGB glowing light rings. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno 7Z 5G features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with standard 60Hz refresh rate and up to 180Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo Reno 7Z 5G supports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by large 4500 mAh battery with 33W SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 12 based on ColorOS 12 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.85 by 73.17 by 7.5mm, and it weighs around 173 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo Reno 7Z 5G has been priced in Thailand at 12,990 Thai baht, and it is now available for purchase in the country in Cosmic Black and Rainbow Spectrum color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 7Z 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.